In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides. This is a helpful workflow when you build slides in Canva but need to present, collaborate, or edit inside Google Slides. By sending your Canva design directly to Google Drive, you can open it as a Google Slides file and keep everything organized in the right place. To begin, open your presentation design in Canva. Make sure you are in the editor where you can see your slides and any recent changes. It is a good idea to quickly confirm that your design is finalized, because whatever is saved to Google Slides will reflect the current version you have open. Next, go to the top right corner of Canva and select Share. This is where Canva keeps export options and ways to send your design to other services. After Share opens, look for More, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Select More to reveal additional sharing and export destinations. In the list of options, find Google Slides. If you do not see it right away, use the search field in that menu and type Google Slides. Then select it when it appears. This option is designed specifically to convert your Canva presentation into a slides file and place it in your Google Drive. At this point, Canva may ask you to connect Google Drive. If you see a prompt, follow it to sign in and allow Canva to access your Drive. This connection is required so Canva can save the presentation to your account. Take your time here and make sure you are connected to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once you are connected, you will be able to choose a folder in Google Drive. Select the folder where you want the presentation to be stored, so it is easy to find later. After you choose the folder, select Save. Canva will then export and upload the presentation to your Drive. Depending on the size of your deck and how many visuals it contains, this may take a moment. When the save is complete, open the file in Google Slides. Your Canva presentation will now be available as a Google Slides presentation, ready for presenting, sharing, or editing. That covers everything you need to know.